Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on the 8086 and 8051 programming. Before diving into the details of these two important microprocessor and microcontroller architectures, let's first understand the fundamental differences between a microcontroller and a microprocessor. A microprocessor is the central unit of a computer or any other embedded system that performs computational tasks. It consists of a CPU central processing unit, which executes instructions to perform operations. Microprocessors are typically used in applications where complex tasks such as calculations, data processing, or running an operating system are needed. On the other hand, a microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to control specific tasks in embedded systems. It combines the functionality of a microprocessor with additional components like memory, input and output I/O ports, timers, and more, all in one single chip. Microcontrollers are commonly used in simpler, dedicated applications such as controlling devices, automating processes, or handling embedded systems in cars, home appliances, and IoT devices. Now, let's take a closer look at two of the most famous processors, the 8051 microcontroller and the 8086 microprocessor. 8051 microcontroller. The 8051 is an 8-bit microcontroller designed by Intel in 1980. It is widely used in embedded systems due to its simplicity and versatility. Key features of the 8051 include 8-bit data bus. The 8051 is an 8-bit microcontroller, meaning it can process 8 bits of data at a time. ROM read-only memory. It has built-in ROM for storing the program. RAM random access memory. It has small internal RAM for temporary storage of data. I/O ports. The 8051 has 4 I/O ports, which allow it to interface with external devices like sensors, displays, and motors. Timers. It has 2 timers for time delay and control tasks. Serial communication. It includes hardware for serial communication, making it ideal for communication-based tasks. 8086 microprocessor. The 8086, designed by Intel in 1978, is a 16-bit microprocessor. It was the foundation for the x86 architecture and was widely used in personal computers. Some important features of the 8086 include 16-bit data bus. The 8086 can process 16 bits of data at a time, making it more powerful than the 8051 in terms of data handling. Segmentation. The 8086 uses a segmented memory model, which allows it to address more memory than the earlier 8-bit microprocessors. Registers. It has 14 general-purpose registers and 4 segment registers, providing better data manipulation and storage. Interrupt system. The 8086 supports a wide range of interrupts for handling external devices and events. Instruction set. The 8086 has a more complex and rich instruction set compared to the 8051, which makes it suitable for more complex tasks and operating systems. Let's understand how your code turns into an executable file. Writing the code first. You write your code in a high-level programming language like C++ or Java, but the computer can't understand this directly. Compilation. The compiler takes this high-level code and translates it into assembly language, a low-level code that's closer to machine code but still human-readable. Assembly. Next, the assembler converts the assembly code into machine code or binary. This machine code is a set of instructions that the computer's CPU understands. Linking. Now comes the linker. It combines different pieces of code like libraries or modules into one executable file. This is important if your program uses external code, such as a math library. Executable file. The linker produces the final executable file. This is the file you run on your computer. It's in machine code, ready to be executed by the CPU. Execution. Finally, when you run the executable, the CPU processes the machine code, and your program starts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share it with your friends or anyone who might find it interesting. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on future tech tutorials and updates.